What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm super excited. We're going to be playing around with these two Wicked Widow beauty eyeshadow palettes. I'm super excited to use these again. The quality on these are amazing. So I did get these two out of the Ice Cream Beauty box, but they are still available on Wicked Widow's website. Of course, I'm going to have everything that I use in today's video listed below. So I'm just going to build my look around these two palettes today. I'm going to start off with the Lovesick palette. Now I do know that this one retails for $36, but I'm just going to go into this shade right here. That shade's called Come Back Home, and I'm just going to put that in the transition area and work it up to the brow. Same thing for this side. These shades are super pigmented and very easy to blend out. I also really love that Wicked Widow is located in Virginia. That's where I'm at, so super cool. Okay, so now switching palettes, I'm going into the Graveyard Smash palette, and I'm going to go into this shade right here. That shade's called Bewitching Bride, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner. Same thing for this side. I mean, super pigmented. This is one dip. Now switching brushes and palettes, I'm going to go into this shade right here. This shade is called Letting Go, and I'm just going to use that to buff out that really dark shade. And I'm just going to work that around into the crease. I love how well these two palettes go together. Same thing for this side. Just working that around into the crease. Just going back in with a little bit of that first color and blending out. Okay, so switching brushes, going into this shade right here. This shade's called Memories, and I'm just going to start putting that on the front part of the lid. This color is so pretty. I feel like I'm just going to pick it up with the finger and apply it, because that is like the best way to apply these shimmers and duochromes. So I'm just going to apply with the finger first, and then I'll go back with the brush and just smooth out the edges with a brush. I love this color. It is so pretty. So now I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of that Bewitching Bride shade and just blend out that shimmer. Now I'm going to go back into the Graveyard Smash palette, go into this shade, which is called Weird Waltz, and I'm going to use that as the brow bone highlighter. Then I will just go back in with that very first brush and blend out, just to make sure everything's nice and blended. I am going to go in with a set of Ioni lashes today. Still just using my Kiss lash adhesive. So while I'm waiting on the lash glue to dry, I'm just going to clean up with a makeup wipe. You do have a little bit of fallout, but really not much fallout. Going in with a little bit of my e.l.f. No Budge retractable eyeliner in the shade Black. Okay, so now I'm just going to prep the skin with a little bit of this Mirabella serum. Also a little moisturizer from P. Louise, the Repair from 2022. I am going to go ahead and apply the lashes. So now I'm just going to go in with some foundation, and this is the foundation from Kim Chi. This is called a Really Good Foundation. This is a medium to buildable coverage. Shade range is really nice. It's like 40 shades on this. I got mine in the shade 106L. Now for bronzer, I'm just going to go in with the Patrick Ta bronzer. Really have been enjoying this bronzer. Truly love that it comes with the cream and the powder. Just blends like so nicely into the skin. I got mine in the shade She's Sculpted. For blush today, I'm going to be using the Halo Glow Wand from e.l.f. in the shade Berry Radiant. Just going to take a brush and blend that out. I mean, isn't that color so pretty? I love how easily these blend into the skin as well. So for concealer, we all know the Fenty Beauty. I have been stuck on this one. This one is in 185C. I just don't know what it is about this concealer, but I literally love it so much. I just think it's so pretty under the eye. Work it down into the top of the blush. Just blends out so easily. So for setting powder today, I'm going to use the Kim Chi Puff Puff Pass. This one is in the shade Lavender, and I love this powder. Super smoothing under the eye. I mean, it meshes in with blush so nicely. It's just like a pink powder, except for I don't think it's as brightening as a pink powder. And I'm just going to set the rest of the face with a brush. Just going back into Patrick Ta, picking up some of the powder. I'm just going to use that to set that cream bronzer. So pretty. Every time I use this, I'm like, yes, that looks so good on the skin. For powdered blush today, I'm going to use this one from Oma Beauty. This is really pretty. This is in the shade Certified Lover. Just need the smallest amount of this because it is very pigmented. So a little goes a long way on my skin tone, but it's so smooth on the cheeks. I love it. Okay, so for highlighter today, I'm going to use this one from Manna Kadar. This is the Diamond Dust. I love this. I love that you can just roll it on. But I am actually going to take my brush and just blend it out. So pretty though. This is one of my favorite products from Manna Kadar. I'm just going to add it to my nose with the brush. I love it. So pretty. I mean, oh, girl. That is so good. I love that. I'm going to go in, finish the lower lash line. I'm going to go into this shade here. And I'm just going to buff out the lower lash line. Then I'm going to come over to this palette and go into this shade. Just a little bit, just to buff out that darker shade. I've been really liking to like do that. Do a darker and then like a little bit lighter on the lower lash line. I just feel like it looks a little more put together, a little more finished. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to go into this shade. Love this shade. So pretty. Okay, so for lips today, I'm going to go in with my dark brown e.l.f. lip liner. Then I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Color Sensation lipstick. This one's in the shade More Blonde. Then I'm just going to pop a little concealer in the center. So now for mascara on the lower lashes, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Essence Lash Princess. Brow gel, I'm going to use a little bit of this Oma Beauty. And then for setting spray, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Stay All Night setting spray. Okay, girls, so this is the completed look using both Wicked Widow Beauty eyeshadow palettes. I love how this look turned out. Again, I'm going to have everything listed in the description box for you guys in case you're interested in picking anything up I used in today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button before you go and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!